stick in my right hand, MIG / Flux-core in my left. Family, I did a viral video on Instagram, and I was just talking about what will I do. Someone asked me, what will I pick? If I only got two hands, what will I pick, fam? And I think we'll be more of an asset if we utilize both of our arms. And I just want to elaborate on that some, because in your right hand, stick welding isn't going nowhere when it comes to repairs, when it comes to pipe welding, structural welding, in the field, doing iron working and things like that, taking out, removing things. Stick welding will always be God outside. Now, they have started using Flux-core outside without gas. So it's being more used now than stick welding in certain industries, because it takes longer to stick weld a certain joint than it does to wire weld this joint. Now you can still get the same penetration, you can still get a nice weld, but the technique is a little different. Now you will have old school stick welders make comments saying you're a wire monkey and that's not real welding, but it is, fam. It is real welding, and it can literally change your life. And why I say these two is a $1 million combo, because you can literally make $1 million. You can literally make no less than $50,000 a year. Now think about this. You're making at least $50,000 a year. How long do it take to make $1 million? I'm gonna let you do the math. So, and if you're investing your money, it's not going to take that long. But if you learn two skills instead of one skill, you can get there faster. Now, Flux-core, MIG welding in the shop, when it comes to manufacturing, building parts, making items, artwork, different type of industrial repairs, this is God too. The industrial industry is using a lot of Flux-core wire. They're using a lot of MIG, a lot of post-MIG, because it's quicker and faster. The goal is to be able to do a good weld without having to have the extended period of time or having a lot of variables in it to make it hard. Like, they don't want the process to be extremely hard. They don't want you to come from Mars to be a good welder, fam. We can get you straight from whatever town you from. You see what I'm saying? But sometimes people try to make it complicated, like you got to go through and jump through all of these loops. And family, really, you don't. I have made my most money I have made using both of these, fam. Using both of these as a construction, doing, without gas, doing manufacturing, doing dual shield with gas, in all positions, being able to weld this in all positions. And I think one thing about welding that makes it so easy for someone, say, coming out of high school that don't have a GED or high school diploma, it's all muscle memory, fam. It's all muscle memory, fam. Just like working out and doing anything else. You just got to get used to the new information you're getting, the new terms, the new technology, and just the information, and making sure you're getting the correct information, and it's going to be okay. There's many different names. I have heard some CWIs try to be real picky and say, no, call it this, call it that. Fam, you can call it MIG welding. You can call it GMAW welding. You know what I'm saying? You can call it mag welding. Like, it's plenty different names, fam. I just want you to learn the process. And I love to say, it's not about being certified, fam. It's about being qualified. And if you spend enough time, you can become qualified in these processes, fam. And it don't take long. In my personal opinion, 6 weeks, 7 weeks in this, about the same in this, and you're gonna be bad, fam. You just gonna have to be consistent. Ain't no hit and missing. You need to put in 8 hours a day. You need to work on this. I seen some gentlemen, family, when they was going to school, they was sitting in their booth and eat lunch. Everybody else would leave, go get cigarette breaks. They'll eat their lunch in their booth and jump right back in there. I said, say, man, it's still break time. They say, hey, man, I'm trying to eat. I got to get this down. If you're not that hungry, fam, then I don't know what to tell you. It's going to be hard to make this $1 million using both of these processes if you're not real hungry person. So I always say, fam, if you're going to get further, it's going to be because you're going to put in the work. We can make funny videos just to catch people attention about welding, but the reality of it is, fam, welding can change your life. If you're in a rural area, if you're in a city, if you're coming out of prison, Flux-core welding, stick welding has changed my life, family. I'm a structural welding instructor. And family, I can tell you this, it has changed my life. I have traveled. I have went from Little Rock to South Carolina all the way to Washington State off someone else paying me that I was good at what I was doing with these processes, stick and MIG. Like, I have traveled, I have done various jobs in different states with these processes. Now, don't get me wrong. I like TIG welding, and TIG welding can make good money, and if you into that, get into the alloys if you into that. I just like fast things. TIGging was a little slow paced for me, unless I was doing some pipe flanges or something. You know, just more slow paced, and a lot of times it's on thin alloys. It's just a slower paced process. You know, TIG welding is a little slower paced. I like to go, fam. That's why I like to hit the trigger and go. I like to make money fast. I like to grow it now. A lot of times when we're trying to really get to it, we don't have a whole lot of time. So for those who want to dive into it and get some money, and you don't mind being outside, you don't mind getting a little slag on you, being a little dirty, because this process is a little dirty. It's not as clean as the MIG welding process. TIG welding process, I'm sorry. TIGging is good. I'm not knocking TIG. I'm not discrediting TIG. TIG is still up here high on the vault. I'm just saying, when it comes to getting that bag fast, you're going to get it faster with the MIG and Flux-core process and stick welding. That's just the truth, fam. You will hit that meal ticket, fam. You hear me? I have made $1 million welding over time. Not in one time. Over time, fam. But that's what I'm saying. Once you make investments and you travel and you do things, you'll be surprised with what you can do with the trade. So my goal is to be a millionaire. But not just from welding alone, fam. From my books, for those who are looking for my ebooks, they out. You can check them out in the bio on my YouTube. My clothing, for those who want the Hog On Welding gear, you can go to Amazon and put in Hog On Welding. Check out the hoodies, the t-shirts, the courses, the fabrication welding program. My goal is to use welding and create passive sources of income and help people like you who haven't got started or who thought that you couldn't do it, see someone that looks like me and say, hey, it's possible. You can make a meal ticket too. You can change your life, fam. So let's use both of these processes. Let's make a meal ticket together. You have any questions, anything you need to ask specifically, I have a lot of videos that can help you with the Flux-core processes, uphill, overhead, with a backing strip. I have some without a backing strip. I have stick welding videos, all in my uploads. So go check out the upload videos. Tell a friend, tell a teacher, tell an instructor. Share this. If you have some ideas, feel free to hit me up. And soon we'll be coming to you in the classroom in Little Rock, Arkansas, at Arkansas Baptist College. Coming soon, coming soon. Our goal is to have a 6-week program and a 16-week program. The 6-week program is going to help those in the inner city, anyone coming out of prison, to help the area. The 16-week program is more of an academic program that the kids that's in college are going to be able to take a lab program on top of their entrepreneurship. So we're really trying to change the game. Not only just give you a trade to get you a job, but we're also trying to build you a career and help those who are thinking about entrepreneurship start them a business. And you can do it, fam, with those two processes. Y'all be blessed, continue to prosper. I'm out. Hold on.